Hey there, it's time to dive into some jaw-dropping news about social media and the law. So, get this, the Supreme Court just threw a curveball into the ongoing drama over social media regulations in Texas and Florida. On Monday, they ordered lower courts to re-examine a pair of controversial laws that restrict how social media companies can moderate content. These laws are blocked for now, but the suspense is far from over. Justice Elena Kagan delivered the court's opinion, which essentially said that the lower courts didn't do their homework on the First Amendment challenges. She emphasized that these courts need to dig deeper and figure out which applications of the laws are constitutional and which ones aren't. Imagine the implications. In Florida, there's a Republican-backed law from 2021 that targets social media giants like Google, Meta, and X. It prohibits these companies from engaging in certain types of content moderation and demands transparency whenever they alter or remove posts. Trade associations challenged this law, arguing it violates the First Amendment. And so far, they've been winning. Texas has a similar law, but it targets platforms with more than 50 million active monthly users. The rules are tight. Companies must notify users when posts are removed and explain why. This law also faced pushback, and after a roller coaster of court rulings, the Supreme Court stepped in to block it temporarily. Kagan made it clear that both lower courts missed the mark in addressing the First Amendment issues. She noted that while some parts of these laws may fail constitutional scrutiny, others might not. The complexity is staggering. But wait, there's more. The political stakes are sky high. Republicans argue that social media companies are biased against conservative viewpoints, especially after Trump was banned from platforms post-Jan 6th. They want these companies treated like any other business, unable to silence users based on their views. On the flip side, social media platforms claim these laws infringe on their First Amendment rights by stripping them of editorial control. They argue that, like newspapers, they should have the discretion over what gets published. The dramatic tug-of-war between free speech and regulation is far from over. Stay tuned as these cases head back to the lower courts. This saga is just heating up, and you won't want to miss what happens next.